So hey guys, today we're going to talk about insertion sort. And insertion sort is a fairly simple algorithm, but there is just one catch, and the implementation is just simple enough. So let's just go through a function first. In insertion sort, we first assume that the element at the first position is already in the sorted order, and we start our iteration from the element at the first index. And we keep on comparing the element that we have at hand with the previous element to see if the element in the previous index is greater or not. If it's so, then we swap the element and we keep on doing this comparison until the end of the array or all of the walkthrough. And let's solidify the concept. As you can see here, I created an insertion sort function which will take an array. It will start its iteration from 1 as already discussed above, because we already assumed that first element is sorted. Go until the length of the array will keep on incrementing. So now when we go into our inner loop and we start our iteration from I and we go until j greater than 0 and keep on decreasing j. So why we're doing this? We're doing this because we know we're starting our ith iteration from I till the length of the array. So now we know that the traversal will be handled by this first loop, and in the second loop we'll we'll do the comparisons of the element. Like if I is here at the first position, j will be at the first position, so we'll compare the elements as specified in the condition, that if the element that we are at is less than the element of its previous index. That means if j is here and j is less than its previous element, then we swap those elements as explained in the code walkthrough. So this swapping will continue to occur until we have traversed the whole array. That means we go until the length of the array, and while greater than j will be greater than 0, the position that j will be at particular point of time, suppose I is here, j will also be here. So we have specified in the condition, when j greater than 0, j will continue on decreasing. So that means while I is here and j is also here, we're going to keep on comparing the previous elements to see if there is any element left which is greater than the greater element and belongs to the right hand half of the array, the greater half of the array. So if there is any element left, the element will move on to the last places. So that's how we'll perform quicksort. So let's just run the code and see that we have properly implemented or not. As you can see guys, this is our unsorted array, and this is the sorted array using the quicksort function, using the insertion sort function that I have implemented here. So guys, I've implemented the insertion sort function in Java. So now let's just do a question to solidify the concept. So here I have opened Git for gigs, and we'll do an insertion sort function. Uh, we have to complete an insertion sort function here. In this, we're given an array, and we have to complete the insert function. The printing is automatically, as we all know. This will be our output, and this is our given array. So let's just go and implement the function. In this function, we have to only implement the inner loop, the j loop, the inside loop in which all the comparisons are done. So we'll do that because the first loop has already been done for us in here. We'll do that for j equals I, j less than greater than 0, j, and so do the comparisons if array j element at the current is less than the previous element. That means the previous element is greater, so we want to swap them. Swap, do swapping here and creating temporary variable array j, array j, here the position of Let's just compile and test to see whether we run the code properly or not. As you can see, guys, our code works properly. This is the unsorted array and this is our sorted array. And again, this is the unsorted and the sorted array. So let's just submit and see whether we pass all of the test cases or not. Okay. So as you can see, guys, we correctly implemented insertion sort and we passed all of the test cases. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe the channel. If you have any comments and suggestions, please write them down in the comment section.